Hello everybody, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another BohemStyle monthly subscription box. In case you're interested in this box, I'm going to leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. And I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials I get in this box in case you just want a few things but not the entire box. But do keep in mind that a lot of the stuff will be exclusive to the box, so there will be some things that I can't find on the site, so really you are just better off to get the box. And also, I will have a picture. I always say this at the end, but if you want to know what the whole design is going to look like in this box, in the beginning of the video, I have a still image of what the design will look like. Whether it's a necklace, bracelet, earrings, or even a ring. Last time we had a ring. If you didn't see last month's box, I'll put a picture up for that. But yeah, the picture that you see in the beginning of the video is what the finished piece is going to look like. I don't know right now what it's going to look like, so to me it's a mystery. But in case you're wondering, because people like to say to me all the time at the end, they can't wait to see what I'm going to make with the box, but the picture is at the beginning and end of the box, okay? So this here is jewelry grade wax cotton cord. You can make jewelry with this cord, so do not throw it away. I actually have a glass jar. It's kind of like a mason jar, but it's a fancy Piney Woman jar. It has a flower lid. But I put my cords, these here, in a jar like that. So we have a piece of paper here that has a video tutorial. Let me see. Can I open it? Okay, there we go. So this is what the project is going to look like, and it looks like hurricane glass, Czech drux. It's a little hard to see, but it looks to me like it's going to be very unique. Wow, 4 strands, but I think that one's a chain on the top. Multi-strand bracelet. And that looks like it has spacer bars in it. I've never got one with that. Maybe it's a stretch. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, there will be a video tutorial link on that paper there that you can go and watch. If it seems like the video's cut up, it's because I think I showed the password, so I'm not allowed to show it. It's supposed to be top secret. So here is the bead string material here. We have tiger tail, I think it's tiger tail, because it doesn't say if it's, you know, soft flex or oh, there it is, elastic cord. It doesn't say if it's like soft flex or bead along or whatever. Elastic cord, I think that's the 0.8 size possibly. And then we have crimp beads. See how they put all this stuff on the top to get me like built up, excited to get to the beads. There's jump rings, 6mm, a lobster claw clasp, right? It's building up. And oh my gosh, wow. So these are hurricane glass beads. And I recently got, in my last video, over here, I got these beads. This is the bracelet I made with the last, it was this box. The Czech Beads exclusive box, okay? We got these hurricane glass drux. They're 10mm and 6mm, and I used them to make this little bracelet. These little charms came in the box, okay? Bicycle, all kinds of cute little Eiffel Tower, palm tree, all kinds of cute stuff, okay? And these here also came in the box, and I made these 2 projects. Only thing I used for my stash for this was the cord. The caps came in the box. The jump rings also came in the box. This one here, I used memory wire and seed beads, but these are the beads that came in the box, and it's like these Czech glass hurricane, these Czech drux. I feel like I can't talk. I'm at a loss for words today. So yeah, these are hurricane glass drux, and they're really darn awesome. So those are the pieces I made from the Czech Beads exclusive box. Now the number on this, yeah, we can't reorder these. It starts with 100. So every time I put this number in on the website, it doesn't show up. But you know what I've noticed? over the years of getting these boxes that these beads eventually show up. It's like they're brand new or something. Wow. Unbelievable color in this. There's actually blue, white, orange, yellow, black, red, green. That one has green in it. That's insane. How do they make this glass? Is it like recycled or something? Those are amazing. Okay. You know what? Something I wanted to tell you guys. For some reason, and I used to think that it was my camera, and then I ended up realizing no, that it's not, and then I thought it was my computer, and I've done like 3 different computers all these years. Being on YouTube, I've gone through 3 laptops editing videos, and what happens is when I go to dump my camera onto my computer, it cuts the video up in sections. It doesn't leave it as one video. So when I film, most of the time, I film all in one time unless I have to let the cat in or out of the room. You know, I might stop the camera, or, you know, somebody's at the door, phone rings, something like that. I'll stop the camera. But for some reason, the video cuts up. It's really weird. And you'll see where I'm talking and what I'm saying is broken. So whenever you see that, it is usually the camera, or it's not the computer. It will cut the video. It's the weirdest thing. So that is a crazy pendant, huh? Or charm. It's actually thin, almost like it's filigree. It's actually pretty cool. It's like it's drizzled. It makes you think of hot glue. There's a lot of people that make jewelry with hot glue, and it's like insane the things that they come up with, making it look like the acrylic glass and stuff. We have clamshell tips. We have crimp beads. And there's a lot in there because we're going to be doing a lot of strands. Oh, reminder, I am still working on my biggest video tutorial series ever. If you did not see that necklace design, I will put some pictures up for it in case you missed out on it. These are noodle beads. They're noodle shaped. These do come in stainless steel, and they actually look like they're stainless steel, but I don't know for sure. So I will have to go onto the website and see if they're being called stainless. Aren't they funny looking? The coolest thing I've ever seen done with noodle beads is Sandra Younger. She used these in a like multi-strand leather. It was either a wrap bracelet, or she made it to where it was multi-rows with how she knotted it or something. I don't know. It was really cool. I'm like, wow, that is the coolest thing I've ever seen done with that. And that's the inventor of the Nutty Doodle board. Oh my gosh, these are spacers. I think I've seen these one time many years ago. It's like a bead, but they're connected. Yeah. See that? They look like they're beads, but they're connected together. And it's a 3-row. So, will that be in the bracelet? Yeah, that's in the bracelet. I was going to say, I didn't see that in the bracelet. I saw like rectangle or square little spacer things, so where are those at? And oh my gosh, no way. This is more of the same beads, but it's not marked. I've never seen them do that before. Yeah, I think they're the same. I mean, there's so many color variations in that bead. So I'll open this one too. Oh my gosh. There's pink in this one. Milky pink. Look at that. And brown. That is so awesome. Wow. And I like how some are really clear. See the crystal clear with the brown stripes? Those are insane. So beautiful. Okay. And then, okay, then we have a chain here. Looks like a cable chain. Cable chains, from what I've seen, are always a flat oval link. See how it's flat? And it's possible that this could be stainless steel because they have been giving us stainless steel findings. So again, I will have to go on the site and see. And this looks like it's a foot long. Are the links soldered? No, they're not, so I can open them. Okay. With pliers. Oh, so that's the chain that will be in the top of the necklace that we saw in the picture. Okay, and then here's a spacer thing. Slider, not a spacer. It's a slider. It's a 2-hole one. That had 3 holes, but oh, I see what they're doing. That middle one will be empty. Okay. So I got 3 of those. Those are pretty. Oh, this is a bead. This is kind of like that pendant. It's got that little zigzaggy string. You know what it looks like? It looks like thread, embroidery thread, but without the card. If you were to take the embroidery thread card and cut the ends off, it looks like the thread wrapped around. That's what it looks like. Maybe I've just been doing a lot of embroidery storage lately for my mother. She got a whole bunch of it from a thrift store, and she's like, can you help me sort this? So I spent, gosh, what was it? Like 5 hours helping her organize some of it. And then we have an extender chain. I think it's one. You know, I won't even open it because we all kind of know what that is. And then, oh my gosh, a bigger version. It's not going to be the same number because it's a different size. Oh, it is. That's weird. It's a different size. These are 8mm, and those are 6. So I wonder why it has the same number. Usually the number is always different. Man, they're so beautiful. Is there like a thing going on right now with these hurricane glass beads? These used to be so hard to find. These are actually kind of similar to the ones I just showed you from last box. The Czech Beads exclusive box. See how the green is there? Like, look at that one. Has a similarness to it. That one actually has orange in it right there. Those are so cool. I knew I was going to drop some. Okay. And then... oh, these are seed beads. This is a different kind. I've gotten this before. I don't remember what it is. It's not nickel silver. This is a Czech glass. Yeah? I think it's Czech glass. You know what I noticed? That recently they started selling Miyuki on their website. Oh, those are pretty. This is not the nickel plate one that I usually buy. It's different. I think it's Czech. It's got that donut looking shape to it. It's pretty. If you look really close at it, it actually has like a mercury glass look to it. The white is probably not showing that, so can you see it? By the way, I got my light back, or should I say I had to buy a new one because my old one was so broken. And look at this. That's what it's like without it. So I have 3 lights on right now. Alrighty. So this is it. Wow. I cannot wait to make it. I'll cover up the password and show you the picture. So there it is. It looks like the larger beads are going to be used in the bottom. The C beads will be in between them. So that is it. Cannot wait to make that. It's going to be really cute. What awesome beads. They're so unique. I love stuff like this. I go crazy for this kind of stuff. So this is it. Remember, I'm going to have a link for the BohemStyle subscription box. I will link it down there below in the description bar. And I will try and link some of these things down below. But I think my favorite beads are probably not going to be available. I didn't have a card on it, or a number on it. I don't know about that number. I'll have to check for that. But yeah, this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, and X. Thanks for watching.